Metro Labs.
Thanks for watching and for your continued support. Today we'll see the evolution of school laboratories. Back in the 1990s, school laboratories were simple: a few wooden benches, glass bottles on dusty shelves, metal stools, and handwritten observations copied into record books. Science practicals were often limited to demonstrations. Students watched more than they explored. Yet for many students, this was where curiosity first began. The early 2000s transition. As education evolved in the early 2000s, schools slowly began modernizing their laboratories, better lighting, improved storage, safer workstations, and the introduction of digital learning tools. Science education was no longer just about theory. Schools started realizing that practical learning improved student understanding and engagement. The shift towards smart learning. Then came a major transformation. Education shifted from memorization to participation. Modern laboratories became more interactive. Students started building, testing, experimenting, and innovating. Schools introduced STEM learning, robotics, electronics, and activity-based science education. The laboratory was no longer just a subject room. It became a space for exploration. Modern lab design changed everything. As schools invested more in educational infrastructure, laboratory design itself began changing student experiences. Modern school labs introduced spacious layouts, safe movement pathways, organized workstations, integrated storage systems, and durable laboratory furniture. GI powder-coated structures improved durability. Epoxy black granite worktops improved safety and chemical resistance. Students felt more comfortable, and comfortable students participate more confidently. Safety became a priority. In older school laboratories, safety systems were often minimal, but today, safety is a core part of laboratory design. Modern school labs now include fire safety systems, first aid stations, emergency response setups, safety signage, proper ventilation, and student PPE systems. Because schools now understand, safe students become confident learners. Built-in safety features of our laboratory of furniture. Our laboratory furniture is designed with safety as a priority, helping create a secure and reliable working environment. Rounded edges and corners minimize the risk of accidental injuries and impact hazards. Non-combustible GI steel construction, manufactured using high-quality galvanized iron, GI sheets that offer superior fire resistance compared to conventional wooden furniture. Chemical-resistant granite worktops, durable granite surfaces withstand chemical spills, heat exposure, and daily laboratory wear. Electrical safety integration, securely designed electrical points, cable management systems, and protected power outlets reduce electrical hazards. Corrosion-resistant structure. GI sheet construction provides long-term protection against rust and chemical exposure. Stable and heavy-duty design, engineered to support laboratory equipment safely while maintaining structural stability. The impact of NEP 2020 and STEM education. Today, education is evolving faster than ever. With NEP 2020, STEM learning, and skill-based education, school laboratories are becoming future-ready innovation centers. Innovative labs are now designed for creativity, problem-solving, hands-on learning, collaboration, and career-oriented skill development. The Science Laboratory of 2026 is no longer just preparing students for exams. It is preparing them for the future. What parents notice today? Today's parents view laboratories differently too. Modern lab infrastructure creates trust, confidence, and a strong perception of educational quality. Parents instantly associate advanced laboratory environments with better learning, future readiness, and premium education. And this directly influences school reputation and admissions. How smart schools are building future-ready labs in 2026. Forward-thinking schools are now investing in complete future-ready laboratory ecosystems. At Metro Labs, we help schools across India design and build modern educational laboratories that combine safety, durability, STEM readiness, smart layouts, and long-term functionality to complete planning, manufacturing, supply, and installation. We create educational spaces designed for the next generation of learners. School laboratories have evolved dramatically over the years, but one thing remains unchanged: curiosity. The goal of every great laboratory is still the same: to inspire students to explore, experiment, and imagine bigger possibilities. And the schools building future ready labs today are shaping the innovators of tomorrow. Partner with Metro Labs to create laboratories that inspire curiosity, creativity, and future ready education.